That's incredible for 22 hours. That's ridiculous. We should not have that much humidity in this basement, but we do. So this is my old dehumidifier. It runs constantly. We're always drawing moisture out of the air. I want to show this to you. Now watch this when I pick the hose up. You can see it's dripping now, but we've got a consistent flow of water coming out of our dehumidifier. That's what we're going to do with the Vremi. But first, we just want to see how much it draws in a 24-hour period. So we just got the dehumidifier from Vremi, and we're going to be putting it over in our other room in the basement. But I wanted to show you some of the features right here in the studio first. So after you open it up and get it out of the box, take all of the tape off of it, open up your water bin, and this is where all of your water is going to collect, up to 2.5 gallons, actually 2.64 gallon. On the inside, you're going to have this other piece which is going to attach to the back. This is called your cord wrapper, and that's just going to snap onto the back just like that. So you want to make sure that you do that before you do anything else. Then you want to make sure that your float is set correctly, and by correctly I mean it's just not sticking anywhere. And then you've also got another float that's down here at the bottom that will show you the measurement of water that is in there. After this is full, you got an easy carry handle. You can take it to the drain, dump it, and then you can just slide it right back in just like that, quick and easy. On the back side, you've got your filter. You just pull that off. The filter is right on there, so you can blow that out. You can wash that off. Make sure it's dry before you put it back on, and it just slips in there just slick as silk, just like that. You've also got your drain plug right here, which will allow you to attach a hose to it and run that to your drain, so that you never have to take out the bucket to dump it. So that's what we're going to do in the future. But for this demonstration, we're going to let this run for 24 hours. We're going to see how much water this will collect in 24 hours. And on the top, you can kind of control that. You've got all of your controls right here. So when you power your dehumidifier on for the first time, you're going to get a number up here which is going to show the setting of your humidity level. Your continuous button is also going to be on, and your turbo is going to be on. You're going to only want to turn your turbo on if there's a lot of moisture or humidity in the air. And so the first thing you want to do is shut these two off, because if your continuous run is on, you cannot set your own humidity level in your basement or in the room that you're in. So let me show that to you. When your continuous run is on, you can't make any changes, but when it's off, you can set that to see, I want mine to be set on 50% humidity down here in the basement. Once it reaches that level, then we should automatically shut off, and once we have a high humidity, it will kick on, and then it will continue to draw moisture out of the air until it brings it back down to the 50%. So that's just a quick rundown of the buttons, and again, we'll check this tomorrow and see what it looks like. That's incredible for 22 hours. That's ridiculous. We should not have that much humidity in this basement, but we do.